One of the major jobs that we have is ensuring that we provide the best customer service we possibly can provide. My team and I are responsible for the maintenance operations for all of the College of Medicine facilities, including the College of Dentistry. We take care of everything from replacing ceiling tile, making sure that sinks and faucets work, to responding to heating and cooling calls. It made me feel really great that the leadership in the College of Medicine think of me like that.
He has just been an incredible partner and leader, beyond the pandemic on a daily basis, and inspires us all to do what we're doing each day.
He's kind of unique in the fact that he's worked at the Med Center, he's worked at the College of Medicine, he understands the customer base, and he's kind of married these years of experience together.
The College of Medicine, they represent what the university cherishes the most.
Take this out.
And that's in helping our patients, and I'm so proud to be a part of that. What's really special is I know that I'm contributing to the success of the college.
We're going to do suturing today.
To our department, to FOD, and to the university. But the award is just not only for me, it's for my entire team. If it wasn't for the people that I work with, that are out there on a daily basis, ensuring that we are maintaining these facilities to our very best ability, I wouldn't be receiving this award.